Creating good technical publications requires a partnership between two important groups, authors and technical writers. However, in many enterprises, current IT systems bring disconnects between these two groups and create friction in the content lifecycle. Authors, engineers, subject matter experts, and others manage their documents in product lifecycle management systems, typically in Microsoft Word, while technical writers manage the publications in content management systems, typically in XML. PLM and CMS are often disconnected from each other, containing silos of information. This disconnect costs enterprises time, money, and creates frustration among authors and technical writers. The current systems require documents to go back and forth with conversions. If your engineers, SMEs, and authors use Microsoft Word, and your technical writers use XML, you will find value in this new software from ICTech. In summary, first, it is an online authoring tool in Microsoft Word. Why purchase something else when everyone is already familiar with Microsoft Word? Second, it bridges the gap between Product Lifecycle Management System and Content Management System by enabling both groups to edit their documents in Microsoft Word. Third, it offers tools in Microsoft Word to check technical publications against organizational style guides. And fourth, it creates fully structured DITA XML automatically from Microsoft Word, eliminating the need for conversions. This video guide shows a solution that is based on Microsoft Office 365 and a patented intelligent content technology from ICTech to bridge the gap between PLM and CMS silos. The solution is illustrated with realistic scenarios on how authors and technical writers collaborate using ICTech's intelligent content tools to edit and review a technical manual and publish it. All the work is done in Microsoft Word, and the XML remains under the covers in it. Tools are provided in Word for both authors and technical writers to make their jobs easier. Thus, both groups get the benefit from the automation to achieve consistent documents compliant with organizational style guides. There is no need for conversions. The following 4 scenarios are described in this video. First, author writing a user manual. Second, technical writer and author reviewing and editing the user manual collaboratively. Third, technical writer reviewing and publishing the user manual. And fourth, author and technical writer updating their own sections in the user manual. To start editing, the author opens Microsoft Word Online in Office 365 and clicks the Open from PLM button to open the in-progress user manual. The author searches the user manual in PLM by product name Intelligent Content and opens it. The author then scrolls to the respective section in the document where it needs to be edited, then adds a paragraph with track changes turned on. And then performs acronym checks to find and fix any acronym-related issues. The check displays issues that the author needs to correct. The author uses the tool's Auto Corrections feature to perform the necessary updates. The author completes the necessary corrections and saves the completed manual to PLM by clicking on the Save to PLM button. The author reviews the information and clicks the Save button to save the user manual into PLM. Now it's the technical writer's turn to review and edit. The technical writer opens Microsoft Word on desktop and clicks the Open from PLM button to open the completed manual for review. The technical writer searches the manual in PLM by product name Intelligent Content and opens it. The technical writer and author review the manual for any content-related issues and make edits as well as add comments with track changes turned on to finalize the content. The technical writer adds a comment addressing the author. The author addresses the comment from the technical writer. The technical writer updates more content. the technical writer formats some content. The technical writer adds more content. Upon corrections, the author reviews and accepts all tracked changes one by one and turns off tracked changes as the final edits are done. The author exits from Word Online. The technical writer performs acronym checks to find and fix any acronym-related issues. The check displays the issues that the technical writer needs to correct. The technical writer performs the necessary corrections as shown in the acronyms check. The document already has XML in it. No conversion is required. The technical writer views the XML structure by clicking on the Structure button, and then clicks the Data Checks button to find and fix any Data Guideline related issues. The Data Check displays issues that the technical writer needs to correct. There are 3 images in the manual needing alternate text. The technical writer generates a Data XML package by clicking on the XML button. The technical writer opens the data map and some topic XMLs randomly for verification. The technical writer saves the edited manual to PLM by clicking on the Save to PLM button. The technical writer reviews the information and clicks the Save button to save the updated user manual to PLM, and then saves the edited manual and data to CMS by clicking on the Save to CMS button. The technical writer reviews the information and clicks the Save button to save the updated user manual to CMS. The technical writer opens Microsoft Word on desktop and clicks the Open from CMS button to open the edited manual to update it. The technical writer reviews and edits and makes changes with track changes turned on. The technical writer performs a quick edit to the manual. The technical writer reruns acronym checks to find and fix any acronym-related issues. No new issue is found this time, except 2 acronyms which need to be added into the glossary. The technical writer reruns the data checks to find and fix any data guideline-related issues. No issues are found this time. The technical writer generates a final Data XML package by clicking on the XML button. The technical writer saves the final manual to PLM by clicking on the Save to PLM button. The technical writer saves the edited manual to CMS by clicking on the Save to CMS button. Now the user guide is ready for publication. The author and technical writer need to update their own sections in the user manual. Both open Microsoft Word on their desktop and click the Open from PLM button to open the manual for edits. Both search for the manual in PLM by product name Intelligent Content and open it. Both edit the owned sections in the manual and add comments to the sections which they don't own. The author adds Figure 2 after Figure 1 in the owned section called the Intelligent Content Plugin Toolbar. The author adds a comment in the technical writer owned section called Integration. The technical writer reads the comment from the author and adds a paragraph at the end of the owned integration section. The technical writer reruns the data checks to find and fix any data guideline related issues. No issues are found this time. The technical writer generates a final Data XML package by clicking on the XML button. The technical writer saves the final manual to PLM by clicking on the Save to PLM button. The technical writer saves the edited manual to CMS by clicking on the Save to CMS button. Now the updated user guide is ready for publication.